Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Dagi paungut ki Samla pule hakas ngining kong katayo kilami madan banya lumlang hadon Bosco Square lat umkra Shillong kumshi Bynta banya ki da ka bajar jar ban persya ya ka jeng snap minti ka sorkar pedeng balat tu iki kot jingkeli exam need ki Samla nakaleng kanong ba Shillong ki lapan long ya kan ya ka jeng ki bandawa phai no kam ya umentri ka tanat pudi puthi ka sorkar pedeng udhar mendra pradhan bad kumju ru kumshi Bynta ban ai ka Kyrshan ya unong Ïakhih usonam wangchuk ubala shongsha thangan klembu por hajantar mantar Delhi habayo banya kren bat kawai ka Samla kalau ong bakani ka Ïakhih kalong Bynta banya yang teli banya Ïakhih ru na ka Bynta ka puli puthi ha kari bat ru na ka Bynta ka Jylla habakali kala juba baka sorkar haka jaka ban ai ka Kyrshan ban ngap igi jing dawa penban ka shim daki bagi senjam ka bala pen ibor penban yaki nong Ïakhih ha Delhi
Angga resignation bempani resignation jong terminal perdana.
Ki mat tiba pidawa.
Kita iko abang ulong accountable mah saya ban mai kita jubab kita cepat adin ba pun kena semua lagi lashim ya jingin ada. Ngai ni support kane bro ni wan support ya Sonam Sarma au lashat khan la aku sitam te mereka government tang bawan yakran ro kampawan yakran ya kale menti kena ya ngi kum Samla hang nei ngi mi ngi ro la se na shikmat ni yale ta government exam ba fair te ngi kwa bangi long ta ngi dei nei Samla bat ngi long unemployed te la se hagi snigin wan ni lam tep ni le ta exam ngi kwa ba ta exam kan yet be je ruti
PE kumno na margi ga sarkar kam shima ngap ma hadu arphul sgi ga chat kan tu
यहाँ पर लेते हैं ये हमारे बा लड़ाई हिस्सा अलग बा नी हिकाया का गो या का सरकार बगल ले हमने तो नी को अब लोग घूमता लेकिन या से कबाई लाई बोल से नी रंग दे तंग खना समला से pasca jumut di pakar hadu kata tahan ring ini sapua kane bro ang ilong ba support ya senam sa
kini dina ki Samla pule na keleng-keleng selong ne kini
ang ki don lang hi pun kinong we ngisa teng le ran mo ngi hakane kari si ta hari jungi long nong lam pada dagi beri mana ba
dengan yang jupi pat kai ka bapidan pat no
kalau takut tai ke jumat ba ni wala nero
right for the justice of the students, as we came to know that so many children, so many students, they kill themselves because of the leakage of the papers, no, the exam paper. It is a very sad to hear that our society is still quiet, our ministers are still quiet. Especially my message to the education minister, Dharmendra Pradhan, please do the resignation. That is all.
kai ka bapidan banong par ngi ba ka sarkar arphul sgi ka ni shat kan ne ka ai ka juba kai ka bapidan banong pat
kata kan baya kata bhamo yangi bahadu manta bale ki sarkar ki asngap mo especially Narendra Modi kata phau kata ki hajaru ki khanna laya don protest kata sngi hapo Delhi jantar mantar bale hadu manta ki asngap kadai tharai ki makiru ki ale bakla namar kata tharai amjuko ahire ban yarab ki students.
Actually, we want to stand together with our state to protest against the education system of our country and also for the state of Meghalaya. As we know that Meghalaya was previously known as for the toppest education system, but now as we see, it is going down. It is more worse than Bihar. So we really support Sonam and we want the safety of Sir Sonam and also the safety of those people who are there present in Jantar Mantar. So this is my regards. So I wish success. We will success in whatever we are taking actions. Thank you.
So in future, do you also plan to go to Jantar Mantar and protest?
Yeah, if
in
I
the
get opportunity, surely I will go to support the team.
Then how do you see that we have seen that the protest in Jantar Mantar has been going on for 20 days, but the government has not given
Yeah,
any-
no, government have not supporting. Instead of supporting, they are taking some other actions against the team, against the party, against the people standing there asking for the demand for education system to improve. Instead of supporting, they are taking action against them. So we are really against for the system that we have in our country.